Welcome to your channel Ray of Hope, and today we are going to have another video on SQL injection, right? This will be of 90 days of series where they're going to talk about almost every vulnerability in dev applications, right? So now, today in this lab, we will try to find out that we know sometimes we have character type data type, right? Sometimes we have integer as a data type. Sometimes even both we have as a data type. But how we would count to identify that if the application using both data type or only one of them or either of them, or if they are using null or what kind of, right? So we will talk about this in this video actually, right? So if you look over here, they have multiple category, right? If I go ahead and click on gift, I have a category parameter with a gift value. So what I'm gonna do over here, as if now we have a parameter, we will try to identify if there are any sort of projection point or not, right? So now if I go ahead and check this, change this with ray of 4 and hit enter, I have something called ray of 4 on the UI. That means whatever input we are providing, it is getting reflected, or you can say getting projected. Which means it could be vulnerable for union based SQL injection. Right now, once we identify that projection point is there, right? So we need to identify what is the developer written code. And for that, we need to break the query. To break the query, we have multiple ways that we have talked about it. So suppose if I'm going to use a double quote and hit enter, it is, they are not getting anything that can prove as if it is breaking the query. At least it is not breaking, right? So if I go ahead and change this single quote and hit enter, I am getting internal server error, which means probably it is interacting with the database and the developer written code is in single quote. Once they identify that the developer written code is single quote, what I'm gonna do, I have to identify how many columns are there, right? So for that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use order by 5 or order by 2 hyphen and hit enter. Hit enter. Okay, it could be that the application may have more than 2 columns. It could be, right? So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna change it to 4. Hit enter. It is giving us an internal server error, which means it has less than 4 columns, probably 3. So now if I'm gonna go ahead and put, see, there you go, we got it, right? That means it has 3 columns. Now as we identify that it has 3 columns, we need to find out now what are the data types. And to find out data types, we use union select. So what I'm gonna do, union select 1, 2, 3 hyphen. So basically, I am trying to see if it is a integer type or not. And if I hit enter, I am getting an error, which means it is not a integer type, right? So next I have one option to change it with ray of 4, which is a character type. Ray of 4, ray of 4. So this is the string I have, and copy this, enter. Again, I got an error, which means even it is not using character type database. Now what we gonna do? In this case, we will try to find out the null payload just to identify if it is giving us error as well there or not. Because none can be considered at any point of time. Null means nothing. So this is what I will be doing. Null, null, and then again copy this. There you go. Now it is reflecting us, which means it has three columns and it is using a combination of both actually. And therefore, we are providing only one type of data type. So we are getting an year. For our purpose is to retrieve the string, this, right? So where if it is a first data type, second or third column, how we gonna do so? How we gonna identify that? So for that, we have one way. We would be using Indian select null, and then I'll provide this here to see if third column is this string, right or not. I got an yield, which means third column is not of this string actually. So what if I'm gonna do this? Okay. Second column. And let us hit it. There you go. We finally solved the lab, which means second column has this string type. You got it? Again, the more lab, the more write-up you would read, you would come to learn more actually, right? So I hope you like this video. If you learned something, please do hit like and subscribe to our channel Ray of Hope. Thank you.